there's my S2000 with the new Rockstar Garage top. And
oh yeah. Ooh.
oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh! Oh yeah! Yeah!
After tomorrow, it'll never rain again.
Yeah! Yeah! This is the soft top, and it's going away. We're gonna be putting in a hard top.
Oh, don't lay in the water. Wow, that is so lovely. I'm so glad that you love me so much.
Look at how much weight this is. My welder died right now when I was putting this in, so. Look at the welder. The relay over here is out. I gotta get a new relay. And I'll fix that guy, and then I can finish my car. Anyways, coming around here, you can see there's a roll bar in there now. And we also fixed a fuel leak in here. There was fuel spraying everywhere because of the fuel pressure. And that's it on the car.